Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. I'm out here in the Philippines in a jungle-like area with my Sony TCS-60 recording some sound effects from my experimental horror film. So if you look up behind me, up here where my finger is, you'll see that I put my mini boom mic up in this particular foliage. Alright, so let's take a good look at it and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so I got my mini boom mic and I've got a clip on the end of it, a lapel clip, and I've got it clipped onto one end of the foliage right there. Alright, and in just a moment I'll show you what I'm going to do, record a sound effect. Okay, next here I'm just going to press play and record together, get that going on, drop it into my bag. Here's the bag I use, no name tags on it of any popular name brand at all for traveling and commuting. So after I press play, I just drop that recorder, my Sony TCS-60, right into that bag. Next, the effect. Okay, so the next thing I'm doing is recording sound. You notice my mini boom mic here. Give you a better image. That's far away. If I rub closer, it's a harsher sound. Okay, so that sound effect right there is for when you have wind rushing through or moving through the leaves in a film. So I have a part of my film like that, and that's how you create it. You can also do it with smaller leaves, as you can see back here. Just rub them around like that and film that. Well, record it rather, on your Sony TCS-60 or the like. Okay? So, Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do contact me in the social media outlets listed on the screen, and do subscribe. Thanks a lot. Until next time, see ya.